Here, we will introduce our own and market's perspective on Monero future while examining XMR cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Since this year is practically up, Monero cost forecast 2022 is much seriously fascinating, so we made a point to incorporate that part too, simply try to look over the whole way to the end. Presently, we should get to it. Before we dive profound into the Monero value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Monero is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Monero succeed or fall flat, or while will Monero value rise or drop, we should rapidly do a brief on XMR and its to-date history. Monero introduction. At the point when Monero sent off, discussions around Bitcoin's on-chain security highlights caused a binge of protection-centered undertakings to enter the computerized resource market. Initially named BitMonero, Monero arose as a protection zeroed-in digital money in view of CryptoNote, a reference execution for new altcoins, a significant number of which were subsequently uncovered as deceitful undertakings. Monero's installment secrecy has gathered huge consideration from an array of crypto-inquisitive people. Monero runs a proof-of-work calculation called CryptoNote, which is cordial toward computer chip and GPU mining. New blocks are added to the chain on normal at regular intervals. Mining trouble changes after each new block. Monero's security upgrades come from CryptoNote, which covers source identities by means of ring mark blending and offers single-use keys to make exchanges untraceable. Monero expectation 2022. Monero value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Minus 2.14%, $140.80. October 2, 2022. Plus 5.38%, $151.62. October 3, 2022. Minus 2.62%, $140.11. October 4, 2022. Plus 3.15%, $148.40. October 5, 2022. Minus 1.04%, $142.37. October 6, 2022. Plus 2.55%, $147.54. October 7, 2022. Plus 3.98%, $149.60. October 8, 2022. Minus 1.85%, $141.22. Monero value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022, 2022 October minus 7.20%, $133.52. 2022 November minus 21.02%, $113.63. 2022 December minus 25.87%, $106.65. 2023 January minus 16.74%, $119.78. 2023 February minus 17.46%, $118.75. 2023 Blemish minus 12.57%, $125.79. 2023 April minus 0.90%, $142.58. 2023 May plus 6.14%, $152.70. 2023 June plus 11.21%, $160. 2023 July plus 14.56%, $164.82. 2023 August plus 19.80%, $172.35. 2023 September plus 23.60%, $177.83. XMR Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees XMR coming to $563.99 in 2025. What will XMR be worth in 5 years? The cost of XMR in 5 years could lie around $272.08. Monero Value Expectation 2030 to 2040. What Monero will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Monero coming to $1,409.96 in 2030. What Monero will be worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees Monero coming to $2,819.93 in 2040. Will Monero supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Monero won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Monero at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, it is conceivable that Monero can reach $1,000 yet just in a removed future, after 2030. Is Monero worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably dangerous financial planning. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Monero merits purchasing. Is Monero a wise speculation? Monero is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Monero be worth? For the moment,